Well, hello everybody. This is Victoria Lowe and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back. Today we are showcasing the beautiful fall berry color. What a great way to usher in the fall. I don't have a name for it yet, but I just thought it would be really cool to show it to you guys. Stay tuned. First things first, we're going to get into the oil phase of this lipstick base. We're going to start by adding 1 teaspoon of carnauba wax. Next, we're going to go ahead and add candelilla wax, better known as candy wax, 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of my castor oil. So you guys, this is a revised lipstick base tutorial, including a preservative cap as well as a smooth buttery texture. You're going to love it. Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. You guys, please excuse my bright lighting as you cannot see the letters on the bottles, but I am making it clear what I'm putting in here. Next, I'm adding my avocado oil, 2 tablespoons to be exact. Now we're going to go crazy for coconuts and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to our mixture. And now for a very important part of our oil phase, we are adding 1 teaspoon of isododecane, which makes the lipstick waterproof and matte. Here's another important change. We're going to go ahead and add 2 squirts of the vitamin E oil to the oil phase versus the mixing phase. And as promised you guys, a preservative. This preservative is called Preservative Cap 2. It is a vegan preservative, and I'm going to add 3 drops of this to our oil phase. Someone had a question in the comment section about the product being vegan. I must say that the lipstick base is vegan, but some of the dyes and the oxides that I use are not vegan. So if you are promoting a vegan lipstick line, be sure to check out TKB's ingredients inside of their oxides, pigments, and dyes. Okay, so now I am transferring the mixture into a bowl with a covered lid so that we can allow our mixture to solidify. And just like that, we have created our lipstick base. And let me tell you guys, this one's texture is so smooth and buttery and much easier. I'll say 1000% easier to mix. You're gonna thank me later. Okay, so the amount of base that I'm scooping into the bowl yields enough for 1 bottle. I like to do it this way because the product is handmade and it doesn't allow me room to waste it. Now it is time for the mixing phase. I am going to go ahead and start with 1/4 teaspoon of the red dye. Next, I'm going to be adding 4/4 teaspoons of the color violet, which is a beautiful pigment that TKB carries. Then I'm going to go in again with 1/4 teaspoon of the red lake dye. A lot of times when I make these new concoctions and new creations, I have no kind of direction. I just kind of go with the flow. Now I am going in with 1/4 teaspoon of white titanium oxide to make the color pop. Now we're going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of blue lake dye. As we're mixing things up to make things more smooth and more pliable and go a little bit better or easier, we're going to add 3 squirts of castor oil. For the sake of this video, I have sped up the mixing, but if you have already started making lipsticks or made lipsticks before, then you know that mixing is a very crucial, if not the most important part of the process. When you're mixing, you want to make sure that you don't see any pigment pops or bubbles. You want to make sure that you don't see white, red, purple, any of the pigments that you added. You want to make sure that they're all mixed in evenly. I'm going to go in again with 2/4 teaspoons of that beautiful color violet. Someone mentioned in the comment section the idea of a lipstick bullet or a lipstick blender, and I thought that was very cool. However, I did try the hand blender when I first started out making cosmetics, and I will say that all of the wax kind of got caught up in the blades, and it was just a mess. However, if you guys can come up with amazing ways to mix, I am so open to it. Please drop it in the comment section below, as it can help me and it can help other people who are trying to create lipsticks and or a lipstick business. Let's go in one more time and add one more drop of the Blue Lake dye. The very last ingredient that we're going to add to our mixing phase is 3 squirts of isododecane. Alright, it is swatch time, and look how beautiful and brilliant and berry-licious this beautiful purple is. So appropriate for the fall, so appropriate for day or night wear, whatever you want to do. Now this does dry matte, but at the end of the video you'll see me pair it with a pretty gloss. And of course, I would never forget what time it is. It's time to bottle things up. Hey, it's time to bottle things up. Okay, you guys, so I'm loading my syringe from the back end. I went ahead and took the pusher out because it's easier to just load it this way so that you don't waste product and get product all over the place. We want the purpose and our goal is to put the product in the bottle, and that's exactly what we're going to do. And you're going to go ahead and grab your bottle, and you're going to load the product into the bottle with the syringe, and you're going to leave an allowance or a space of about 1/2 centimeter at the top so that you can easily place your stopper in, and also you can place the wand in without it oozing out all over the place. So you want to be sure to leave that space. There you had it, my beautiful lipstick creators. We have made a beautiful berry color, and I am loving it. As you can see, I want to thank you guys so much for your support, for your interacting with me and commenting and just your compliments on the videos. I really appreciate it. It really keeps me going. If you have any questions, please feel free to always link them down in the comment section. I will list everything that I used inside of the description box. And also, I want to see those colors. I know that you guys are getting busy, getting your hands busy with your lipstick company. And I just want to see, I want to see what colors that you made. If you made any colors, please, please, please tag me on Instagram. And also follow me on Instagram at Very_Velo. And I would love to see your creations and shout you out and basically just show the world how amazing you are. And thanks so much for watching my video. I appreciate you. I love each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for all the love and support. Bye.